So let's start this video. Hello everyone, my name is Jitu Bhaiya and welcome to all of in this YouTube channel Padho with Jitu Bhaiya. Today is the day 4 of my content as I am not posting the video for 2 days as I am making the notes of the JavaScript. Let and From today we will start the JavaScript, and after that we will start with the Node.js and the advanced backend systems. Let's first start with the JavaScript. So don't worry about that, and today onwards I will post it daily and make the video daily. So let's start with the JavaScript fundamentals. The first is a type, high level interpreted, JIT compiled होता है, and paradigms, execution, single threaded, event driven, and memory garbage collected. Memory garbage collected and standard ECMAScript typing, dynamic weak typing. We can see that the execution context will be is like that, and we can copy it and explain it on Excel draw. Let's start with this. Let's start. What is this? We can see that here global execution context. I am global. This is the const globe variable. That means its scope will be global. That means it is globally executed. It is not scope in the, if we defined it here, if we defined a globe var in this function later on. For example, let's start globe var here and define it as I am nothing, then it will raise error, not error here. It will change the content of global var. So that means we can change only on this is defined only the global scope, and if we defined anything inside the this function, then that is defined only in that function and it is not applicable on the global level. So this is the function which is used in the execution context. Let's start with the second, scoping rules. That means if the var globe let global let and const global let function, if the function is scope demo where I am function scoped let and then this and block scope function global scope, that means var let const, if it defined outside the function then it is said to be global scope. If we defined inside the function then it's said to be local scope. And this can be seen that here where is the function scoped is defined here, block scoped is defined here, and it is defined inside the if we defined inside if, and if we defined like here inside if, then it will raise error. Okay, this is the function scoped and this is the block scoped. That means we can choose it and defined from here. So let's deep diving into it. What is the hosting and the TDZ? Hosting means the variable and the functions are moved to top. That means you call it the function before it execute. That means that console.log greet here, but it is greet defined later on, that return hello. So this will executed the function and it is known as the hosting, where variables are hosted in slash to undefined. That means if we console.log, then it means that this will print this undefined, this will print this undefined. Okay, and where is x equal to 5, and if it is, then cannot access y because y is not defined here anywhere. And TDZ example, let a equal to the 1 and td that for b starts is console.log b reference error. This will goes to the reference error. Okay, execution model and the memory. Execution model and the call stack. Call stack means this stated that how the javascript engine works. That means if we call the function 1, then the console.log 1 will executed. This is the result of the this code that we can see that here. Let's start from delete this and paste it. First this function will be executed. First this function will be executed. This function will be executed and print console.log 1, and after that this function will be executed, print console.log 3. Oh, sorry. Once it is function 1, function 2 and function 3. Function 1, first it is called the function 1. Function 1 goes to the from here to here, and function goes from the here to here. Oh, why it is not stop it, stop ho ja bro. This will goes from the here to here. First this one is calling, thus in this console.log 1, that means 1 is printed, that means console.log 1, and after that 2 is calling, that means the function 2 is calling, and this console.log 2 is printed. After the 3 is calling, and this console.log 3 is printed. That means the output will be the 3 2 1, and in this will be the global. That means that this function will be called 1 will goes to here, and 1 will call, and then 2 is goes to here, and the 2 will be called, and the 3 is goes to here, and this will be printed that. And this is known as the call stack generally. As you know that how it is printed, should I explain it further? Okay, don't worry, let's move further. After that, event loop, the main and the important javascript concept, the event loop. In this we can say that the micro task versus the macro task. Console.log this will print the 1 sync set time out, console.log 2 macro task. That means the time is going for the 0 second, and 2 will be printed after that. And the promise, this is the promise which is the micro task given to the javascript for the console.log 3 QE micro task. This is the micro task, and set immediate micro node.js, and after the console.log 6. Then what will be the output of this? First this will be printed 1, and after that the console.log 6 will be printed, because these are in the macro task, and the macro task. So after that the 3 will be, first the promise will be resolved and 3 will be printed, and after that the queue macro task will be printed, and after that the send timeout will be printed, and last set immediate will be printed. This the order is sync, macro task and the macro task. We can see that the micro task is only in the promise resolve and queue macro task, and after that the set out and the set immediate will be printed. And other important concept is the memory management. We can see that here stack versus heap, primitive stack, projects, heaps. Let's pass this value, let a is equal to 10 and b is equal to the a, then b is equal to the 20, console.log a. That means a is 10, then b is also become 10, then b is 20. Then what is the console.log a? That means the 10 unchanged. If we print the b, then what will be the output? Then 20 will be the our output. Pass by reference. That means the object 1 will be value 10, and the object 2 will be stored with that the object value, and the object dot value will be 20. Then object dot value will be changed. Okay. Garbage collection. Mark as sweep algorithm. Reachable objects are kept. Common memory leaks. Global variables. We can see that create leaked here. I am global, so that forgotten timers we can see here time. For example, this code we can check this on. I will explain it on Excel draw. Let's see what's this actually. In this function, function time leak. In this function time leak generally say that function timer leak constant leak date return new array 1000 set interval, and the console.log times holds reference to the large data. Here we can see that large data is written, and the function will be set timeout for the set interval for the load data 1000 array large data, and we can see here. Okay. Okay. Time holds reference to the large data, and this is the closure huge array remains in the memory, and event listeners const document dot element by id, and the forgotten to remove the listener data types and the type system. We can see that here what is the data type and the type system. Let's see. Go. JavaScript have the many data types. So first is the number, 64-bit floating point example, NaN, infinity, 42 strings, and etc. That, and etc. String UTF-16 encoded hello world templates, boolean true false, and undefined uninitialized, latex undefined null symbol byte. JavaScript type of, we can check the type checking by the type of operator. We should apply that. If we print this if we print console.log type of type of 42, then this will print number. As we can see that in the control shift I button, and in the console, if we type this, we can see that here like oh, don't show this. Okay, that's why it is so that, because it is protected by the route, it is protected by the code, that we can't paste anything in the, because if there is a security purpose and all of that. We let's see that we are here, check this, it is printed or not. Oh, that's why it is so. Okay, don't worry, we check it on the JavaScript compiler. Control C and check here. Number, you can see that the type of the 42 will be the number. And if we check the type of the NaN, then what will it show? It will show the number. Okay, that means the type of the symbol, and the symbol big int, and this will be, you can check it on your own. Okay, number 42 string boolean and hello false, and after that you should get knowledge about that how JavaScript take the type of. And after the type coercion, that means the 5 plus integer 5 plus string 5 character 5 will be give to you 55 char value. Okay, and 5 plus 5 plus, that means 10 plus 5, 105 char value. Number coercion, 5 minus ka 5, that means 0. 5 into 5 gives out you 25. 5 divided by 5 gives out you 1. That means the char value divided by int will gives you integer value. But if you plus it minus it, then it will give you the char value. Okay, boolean coercion, if value corrected to the boolean equality, this true, this will give you the true. Loose equality, this will not, double equal to does not check about the type, but a triple equal to check your about the type. That's why it is the basic difference between the double equal to and the triple equal to. Zero equal to the false, that means true. Null equal to undefined, that is also true. You can see that all other examples. Let's move further. Object types. Object types, let's start with the object. Object, let's object literals, name John, age 30, greet hello world, this dot name. This is the function which says that this this means this object will return the name of that. That means it will return hello John. And const arr map keys, map will be return the set value. Map is generally means the value which is render on the front end, you actually made it on the map, and after that array will become, and in that process it will render on the front end part. Generally it is used in the front end, and but not it used in the back end part. So if but I will teach you all that parts which you used in the JavaScript. Let's start with the map.set. Set, this will print, this will use the set with the key value pairs in which the key will be unique and the value will be can be duplicate value. Map.set object is set unique value. Set is equal to the new set, that means it will define the new set. Set will contain all the unique value, but okay, set will contain all the unique value. Weak maps, weak map object, that okay, you can see that all of that. Regex, regex will be defined in the some some input input type. That means if you typing the email, that means if you typing the email, then you define the regex, then you defined regex. Regex, for example, you can see that regex of email as like that. That means for example this define that this define that the first character will be A to Z, and from small a to capital Z and capital A to small capital Z, and 0 to 9 dot underscore plus minus, and after that at the rate, this can be capital A to small z, and this will be defined, and if you defined in the email, then this will be considered. But and this is the validation part. Actually we will use the jod also, but regex is also the better part of that. Function and the closure. Function type, JavaScript function declaration. For example, we create the function greet name, return hello name, hosted to top, const greet function name, not hosted. Or arrow function, arrow function is the advanced function we can use here. Example, for example, in this function dot greet, or we can use a const greet equal to, we can use the names in the params will become, and after that hello will be printed as like this. Hello will be printed, and this dollar means the value is changing and come from the params. Okay, and after that this will return lexical. What is this? Single delete. After that immediately invoke the function console.log immediately अगर return करना हो तो, and after that the const john will be printed, and after we will return person. Let's start with the closure. Closure is a function that remembers its lexical scope. Basic closure means the create counter let count is captured by the closure, and the return function count plus one return count. Then the const counter create counter and counter. Then it will call the counter function, and after that one will be counted, and after that two will be counted, and three will be counted. Factor function with closure. We can see that the factor function name number into factor, and we can see that here the double triple which is the main property, and here for that solution to let block this binding. Let's start with this binding. JavaScript, this depends on how the function is called. Global context console.log this. Console.log this means that the function which you defined here, for example John will be printed here, and after that the create this dot name, then the John with name will be printed here, and the constructor, means this constructor will have the same name as the class have. For example, if you make the function person name, then this dot name will be equal to the name. That means if you pass any name John here, then name will be John will be printed. P is equal to new person John, then the p dot name. We can use also here this dot bo this dot is, then is here and then the console.log p dot after that we will see that age will be also printed. What is this? After that that age will be also printed. Arrows function lexical this name, for example name is equal to John, grade is equal to console.log this dot name undefined, grade 2 inner loop. You can use that. Call apply and currying. For example function add a comma b comma c, return a plus b plus c. Add will give the 1 2 3 3, then it will return the 6. Transforming a function with the multiple arguments into a sequence function each with a single argument. That means you will take the multiple arguments but you will give the single output. For example like this add function. Okay, yeah, this will give the equal to b equal to 6, against arrow carrying a plus b plus c carrying 1 2 3 6. This will give the 6. This is the new version. We can also write as like that. So this is the our, and after that we will cover these later topics on tomorrow. So have a nice day, and keep watching my videos, and we will cover all these advanced topic with the advanced version, and later on we will also cover the backend from the node.js, and also cover all the docker kubernetes and the DevOps part, and also cover the system design topic. So stay tuned with me and keep watching my video, and subscribe to my channel Padho with Jeetu Bhaiya. Let's move to the other, and bye.